Hello everyone, my name is Amritansh Jaiswal. I'm the student of B.Tech IT from second year from Access Colleges. These are my teammates, Sneha Gupta and Amit Kumar. The name of our project is Smart Robo Car. This is our project. So our project is based on two components, that is hardware and software. The hardware components that we have used are Arduino. The most important component is Arduino in this project. The second component is motor driver shield, ultrasonic sensor, a Bluetooth module, some motors, that is servo motor and gear motor, some batteries, foam board and robotic wheels. So we have divided this project into three modules. The first module is Bluetooth module. That means we can control this project using our mobile phones with these key arrows. The second module is voice control. That means we can easily say anything and this will follow our commands. The third module is this sensor, means this robot will continue on itself. And the main part of the project is this vacuum based cleaning system. That means this robot will work on all the modules and this will clean all the dust particles in the air.
So our first module is Bluetooth module, in which we control it by our key features in this app. It moves forward and backward and clean the dust area. So dust is collected here. As we can see, we can separate it by moving this part.